Hi, this is Roxana, and I'm here to help you with information regarding your syllabus. Um, so, one of the things that we have available is the CTLE's website, and on their website, if you go to resources on the left hand side, you'll see the availability of the template for your syllabi. And so if we click on the syllabus template, you're going to see all the information as to how to use the template and to add in your own content and information. So I would recommend doing that. And then this will be the foundation of your syllabus for your course. And then beyond that, in terms of making things specific for online, I'll show you some of the information that I've included into my syllabus for an online course. So this just goes through all the basics in terms of the requirements that you want to have, and it's a good foundation for any delivery method, online, hybrid, or face-to-face. So for my syllabus let me see, where is it? In my course, oh, wrong tab. Okay, I couldn't see the tab, it was under the recording thing. Okay. So in terms of my syllabus for English 101 online, I follow the template pretty closely. So I have my instructor information, contact, course information. Definitely make sure that you indicate that it's online. It's also good to say how many hours or contact hours you expect students to attend, so to speak. Then we get into the textbook materials and technologies for the class, the technology information that is helpful for students to see when they've signed up for your class. For a face-to-face class, you might not have as much information here. You might, but for an online class, there might be a little bit more content that you would put there. The other piece of the syllabus that you want to include for an online class is skills needed for online learning. So this links to a website that talks about skills to be successful in an online class. And then, of course, the e-courses orientation to online learning. And at this point, for my classes that are like a 101 class online, I do require this in the Getting Started module. And I know that that is being addressed in some of the other videos that are available here. Also, where they can obtain help using their applications between Canvas and the textbook I use is through Connect, McGraw-Hill Connect. So I have information regarding that, Netiquette, so on and so forth. So this just goes through some of those things. And of course, your syllabus that you would prepare for a face-to-face class is going to cover all of these items. When we're thinking about hybrid and online classes, there might be some pieces that you just need to spend a little bit more time curating and adding more content to regarding being online exclusively. So those are some things to keep in mind. If you have any questions or you want to see a sample of an online syllabus, let me know. Thanks.